It's Christmas Eve and it's number 24. I am wearing, this is a sparkly cowl. I've showed it before. It is the Basic Stitches cowl, which I designed, and there is a pattern on YouTube. There's a whole series to work you through this doing this. Yeah, the Basic Stitches cowl. It only takes one skein of yarn. I'm going to move the camera closer so you can kind of see the sparklies. It actually is all glittery. It's just not looking very glittery, but it's silver. I guess you'll have to take my word for it. Yeah, there's some glitters. Okay. And it has some glitters in it. You can see them. It's actually very sparkly. It's a silver. And yeah. So anyway, that is the Basic Stitches cowl. Now let's see what we got in here. Cute little snowman. He's puffy. And this is Claudia hand painted yarn. It's called Addiction Base, and it's called Argyle Socks is the color. And it is 100% extra fine merino. Now, on one of Karen's podcasts, she and two other ladies that used to be part of SSK Yarner's podcast would visit different like yarn shops and places. One of the places they visited was Claudia of Claudia Hand Dyed Yarns or Hand Painted Yarns. And she actually took them on a tour of her dyeing studio. So I remember that one. So when she and I exchanged, I wondered if we would if I would get to see some of these. This is the second one, I think, in here from Claudia. So here it is. It's looking very dark, but it actually is tonal. It's like tonal browns. There you can see it. It's tonal grays and browns, like real deep tonal browns, blacks, and grays. It's very pretty. And it's called Argyle Sock. So happy Christmas Eve to everybody, and tomorrow's the last day, so we will check it out then. So, yes, Merry Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas! It is December 25th. And before I do my final unboxing of my advent calendar, I wanted to tell you what this is that I'm wearing. It is very, very soft. It is sparkly, although it's not sparkly showing up on the camera. This is the Yexa pattern. It is a shawl. And yes, I'm wearing the same shirt that I wore yesterday. But anyway, here it is. Just because I've been wearing a lot of silver and black goes well with it. It is two colors. And, oops, it's flipped up. There you go. And it's like an elongated triangle. So it goes from here to here. I think it took me 2 skeins to do this. It's a very easy pattern. Yeah, I think it was originally written in a 2 or 3. I think it's 2 color. It's called the Yexa shawl, which is based on an Outlander character. And the person who designed this is Janine McCarty. I've test knit for her before. And she has the Yarn and You Girl podcast. But again, this is called the Yexa shawl. It's very easy to do, and I actually have done this pattern twice now. But yeah, this is very soft and comfortable, and it is sparkly, even though it's not showing up sparkly in the lighting. So let's get on to day 25. This is the final unboxing, and we have 2 snowmen. One's doing a headstand. Day 25, and it's a big one. So let's see what's in here today. here is a pom-pom. First we have a pom-pom, and it's the type that snaps on. So it has a snap on the back here, so you can attach it and just snap it on or snap it off. But yes, we have a fluffy gray pom-pom. I've never had one of these before, so that's cool. Then we have a Notions box. It says Happy Creating, and this is actually sold from, this is sold through SSK Yarners. So here it is. And this is what the front looks like. And when you open it looks like a little suitcase. This looks like the little handle. But this is how you open it. And then inside, there are different compartments that open up. Like this one, like this one opens up here. And you can store like stitch markers and things like that in there. And then, or like tiny scissors, tape measure, things like that. And then this side opens as well. Oh, each of these open individually. Well, isn't that cool? These three, there's three on this side that open, and then there's two larger ones on this side. So you could put stitch markers and progress keepers and all kinds of things. And then like your cable hook, like I said, tape measure, small scissors in here. So yeah, and then the whole thing folds up and it's very compact. So it's a Notions box. Okay, the pom-pom is Barnet Wool Company. That's the name of where this came from, is the label came off. So this is the Barnet Wool Company is who did this. But we have sock blanks. Oh, there's three of them in here. There's three sock blanks. There's three sock blanks in here. Let's see what it says about this. The hat blank is Donegal tweed. Okay, so these are all Donegal tweed. There's three of them here. It is it's a DK weight, which means it's a little heavier. It's an 85% superwash merino and 15% nylon. That is cool. And then she sent me three progress keepers and a stitch marker. Let me unhook this so I can show this to you. Okay, there are 3 stitch markers, so I'm going to try to hold these up so I can show them to you a little bit better. The first one is little purple ball. The next one is one of those beaded stitch markers, but it has a little, get it to turn right, a little ice cream cone. And then the last one is also a beaded stitch marker, and it has a little cupcake on it. So those are very cute. Now let's take a look at the sock blanks. Well, they're actually, it says a hat blank because they're a heavier weight. So these are DK weight, and it is a tweed. Oh, look at this. It has hats and mittens on it. And you can see it's speckled because that is a tweed. It's really, really soft too. So there is sock blank, or hat blank, number 1. Here is hat blank number 2. It's the same design, but different colors, and it's also a tweed. And here is hat blank number 3, which is all done in browns. So how cool is that? So 3, not 1, but 3 hat blanks, 3 stitch markers, a pom-pom, and a Notions box. So I don't know about you, but I have had a wonderful and fun time doing this whole yarn advent calendar. And I want to thank Karen for participating in this with me. And it has been lovely. And today is the very last day to check out her shop. If you want to buy anything and get that discount, use coupon code ADVENT19 to get 15% off. That does exclude self-striping yarns, notions, and mini skeins. So today's the last day to take advantage of that. So this is the final day. So thank you all for coming along with me doing this yarn advent calendar each day, and following me along on some of the quote Vlogmas days when I did a little video adding to it. So it has been a lot of fun. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed Merry Christmas.